In this episode, we go from automated recon all the way to exploitation on OWASP Juice Shop, entirely from Windows using PowerShell. Our lab target is OWASP Juice Shop, a vulnerable web app used for hacking practice. Inside our recon folder, we have everything we need: scripts, word lists, and a simple file called subdomains.txt that contains the local domains we'll scan. Because this is a local VM, there are no public certificates to enumerate, so we skip get cert subdomains. Let's break down our automated recon flow. This script ties it all together and gives us everything from subdomain validation to a full HTML recon report. Test-LiveSubdomains. Check which subdomains are alive via http/s. Resolve-ValidSubdomains. Resolve DNS records. Name, MX. For alive domains. Use Gobuster for directory fuzzing with size filtering. Parse Gobuster. Convert Gobuster output into clean JSON format. Generate HTML report. Generate a dark mode HTML recon report with tabs for all findings. This script automates the boring stuff so you can focus on finding real bugs. Alright, everything is in place. Our recon toolkit is locked, loaded, and ready to fire. Let's talk about why automation matters. In bug bounty and pentesting, your time is your most valuable asset. You can't waste it running the same commands over and over. Automation helps us move fast, stay consistent, and catch more details, while keeping our brains focused on what actually matters: finding the bugs. Now that recon is running, let's talk port scanning. Nmap is great, but in Windows lab environments, especially with bridged adapters, so I built scan.ps1, a custom threaded PowerShell scanner that checks common ports and pulls banners using native tools. Fast, flexible, and 100% Windows friendly. Let's explore the report.html. Fully clickable, dark mode organized, and designed to help you work smarter. Each tab gives you a clean overview of subdomains, DNS records, and most importantly, fuzzing results. Every directory discovered is just one click away from a live browser test. This is where manual recon kicks in. Open those links, test each endpoint, look for login panels, robots.txt, or admin areas. Manual inspection turns data into bugs. JavaScript files often hide juicy intel. Hard-coded API endpoints, tokens, old endpoints, even credentials. First, we open DevTools and browse the page source. Under the Network tab, we filter for.js and grab everything we can. Then we automate it. With subjs, we pull every linked JavaScript file from the target site. Now we feed each of these files into LinkFinder, a powerful Python tool that finds links hidden deep inside JavaScript. To make this process smoother on Windows, I built a wrapper script called fuzzjs.ps1. It runs LinkFinder on every entry in files.txt using PowerShell. Now let's find something juicy. We start with the login page and try a basic SQL injection. That worked. We're in without credentials, a classic authentication bypass. Now we log out, browse some juice products, and start reading user reviews. That's where we find something interesting: an email address that looks like an admin account. We take that email back to the login form and try to log in again, this time using more targeted SQL if needed. Always test different accounts. Some users may have extra privileges or different error messages that reveal how authentication works behind the scenes. Click around. Check every tab, every link, every product page. Look at requests in the browser DevTools. Sometimes the biggest vulnerabilities are just a few clicks away, hiding behind unprotected endpoints or insecure APIs. Then we go hunting for hidden pages. One of Juice Shop's best-kept secrets: the scoreboard. You can't get to it from the menu. The scoreboard shows your progress and all the hacking challenges built into the app. From stored XSS to broken crypto to hidden admin panels, this is where your hacking journey really begins. From PowerShell to full exploitation, this is the power of a Windows-based recon and hacking toolkit. And that wraps up PowerHack Ep.6, our final episode in this first series. You've built a recon toolkit, automated your scans, exploited real vulnerabilities. But this is just the beginning. Coming up next, Juice Shop deep dives, OverTheWire CTFs, damn vulnerable web app, and more hands-on hacking content. Subscribe, follow along, and keep pushing your skills to the next level. This is PowerHack, and we're just getting started.